Explore comprehensive fall protection solutions for Apec Metal Express roof panels with us.
Blog about Apec Metal Express out of Dothan, Alabama. They are a producer of metal standing seam panels. They produce 3 different standing seam panels, and we've done the research to determine what the best compatible fall protection equipment is to use on their roof panels to protect both the workers and the roof system. So if you go to the full blog on the website, we go in depth into the different panels. I just want to touch on a couple things here. I just want to go through the 3 different panels. So you have the TS324. That is compatible, by the way, with the equipment I'm going to show you. The PC216 is also compatible. That's a mechanically seamed panel. PC218, same thing, mechanically seamed panel. So if you click any of these links that says Roof Anchor Compatibility Chart, it's going to take you to the quick reference chart. And as you can see, the 3 different panels go across the top, and this is our equipment down the left column, and we are fully compatible with all 3 of those standing seam panels as long as they're 22 or 24 gauge steel. They are compatible with the SSRA1, SSRA2, and SSRA3 products. The SSRA1 is a seam anchor. This is a single worker tie-off. It attaches to the seam using 12 non-penetrating set screws, and it has a couple of adapter plates. So that's the SSRA2 and the 3. If you need to add 10-foot wooden walkboards onto the roof, you can mount the SSRA2 Roof Jack Adapters on top of the SSRA1 anchors, and that lets you put walkboards on standing seam with no penetrations. And these are adjustable for different pitches and different seam height. If you notice, those side legs have 2 wing nuts, and you can drop those legs down and they're padded on the bottom so they stabilize on different seam heights. The SSRA3 mounts on top of 2 SSRA1 anchors, and this plate is compatible with standing seam panels from 12 to 24 inches wide. As you can see, the mounting channels allows you to slide the anchors narrower or wider depending on the width of the seam. And then you would have one of these plates secured with 2 anchors on each end of a 100-foot horizontal lifeline rope. So that allows you to have 2 workers on a standing seam roof with no penetrations. So they have maximum mobility. So if another option is going to be the Ridge Pro. So the Ridge Pro mounts on a 16-foot pole. So a worker would climb a ladder, use the pole to run this up the roof, flip it over the peak. When it goes up, it brings a vertical lifeline up with it. So once that worker steps off the ladder onto the roof, he's already 100% tied off. So he can do his tasks, get back to the ladder, and he's tied off the entire time. So this is a great alternative product. If this it doesn't matter what the gauge is of the metal. You're not attaching to the seam. It's flipping over the peak of the roof. What's important on the Ridge Pro is that it's a 612 to 1212 pitch roof. That's what's important. So as you can see with their 3 panels, this is fully compatible as well. So if you have any questions about the product or their panels, please give us a call. There's our phone number, support@fallpd.com, or you can hit this blue button on the bottom right, and that'll take you into a live chat during business hours. Let us know how we can help you.